Good morning. It's super early here. It's like 6, 7 a.m. And what I'm working on today is a panel that you can see here. Is to give you an idea. I do 1, 2, 3, and then I can keep going 1, 2. It's a huge panel. It covers almost the whole room. And what I'm gonna do with this panel, I'm gonna show you now, is to cover one of the walls in the bathroom. This wall that you see here is a wall that has a lot of different surfaces and has a lot of holes. So I tried to do it like with really heavy bricks, but what is happening is that building this type of cover with heavy bricks is very expensive and very labor demanding. I inspired myself in the drywall construction, and drywall construction is actually what is used right now in Italy, in Europe, I don't know, other areas of the world. But it's a very easy to mount and dismount. Panels is like this, is drywall. It's not like the previous ancient technique to build walls, because I think that actually this house is so old, and what I love from this house is that it's very traditional and it's not built with these easy to remove thingies. It's a solid house, but I do see the point in some part of the house, especially the inner wall divisions, not to have these very thick walls if they don't have to be structural, because sometimes the walls have to be really thick and very strong because they are structural, but that's another topic. The thing is that for this cover that I want to do for the water deposit, I'm gonna use this panel, and this panel is a special type of wood. Is a layered pine which comes prepared for resisting the water. Of course, it's not immersible in water. We cannot ask so much from the material. It's just a piece of wood. So I'm going to first cut it now, and then I'm going to plastify it. So there's even another layer of water protection. So yeah, that will be it for today.